Hi guys, welcome to TBH. Hope you are all doing well. So today I am going to unbox this new subscription box that I have got named Mini Box Jewels. Before I start off, please subscribe to my channel and share it if you want me to come up with more subscription box unboxing videos for you. It's always awesome to see your support. If you look closely, the box is already wrapped in a gift wrap paper, so it serves the purpose of gifting. Keep subscribing cause we have something interesting coming up on the 100 subs. Let me tell you that this video has been brought to you on the popular demand from our subscribers. And as always, this is not a paid promotion as I bought this with my own salary so I can keep coming up with more reviews for you. The box is priced at $349 for 1 month and there is no additional shipping charges added to it. And for the details of the subscription charges for more than 1 month, I will mention everything down below. You can buy this box by sending them an email or giving them a call and pay the subscription amount via Paytm. Their contact information is available in the Facebook page. I will mention the link in the description. They claim in the Facebook page that they send 5 jewelry and 1 gift, but the box contents will differ from every other box. So without any further ado, let's start the unboxing. Now, as you can see, they have sent the items in this plastic box, which is transparent. On the top, they have attached a bow, and here it is written February Mini Box Jewels Happy Valentine's Day, and this little heart-shaped paper attached. Let's open it. Here they have sent within the box a card with the writings All You Need Is Love, February 2018. Hello, thank you for subscribing Mini Box Jewels. We are happy and excited to have you in our family. Hope you have fun trying this jewelry out. Happy unboxing the Mini Box Jewels team. And they have the social links here. Now, if you can see, they have sent all these jewels inside this red potli. This adds swag to the bundle. Let's open the first one. Inside we can see that they have sent 2 pieces of jewels. First one is this pair of earrings made of threads, and also they have put random holographic beads to give it a nice catchy look. So this is how it looks. Next one is the set. We have conch shell pendant with silver chain. And conch shell earrings. This is how it looks. This is how the pendant looks. Now the second bag. They have included this statement necklace. This is the close look of the necklace. And also with this they have a pair of earrings. Take a look. Now the third bag. First is this ring. this is how it will look on you. And the last piece of jewelry, this multicolored bracelet with dangling stars. Take a close look. And lastly, they have sent 4 melodies. ये melodies इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों हैं? I just remembered the ad. So these are all the products they have sent for 349 rupees. The jewelry I like the most is this earring. And this necklace. I hope you have enjoyed watching this review, and please let me know about your thoughts on the subscription box and suggestions for our videos. And now hit the like button if you like this video, share it if something that you are into, and don't forget to subscribe. We will come back with a new review. Till then, take care, bye.